hello to a lot of you out there today. A few of you may have been aware this channel recently passed 100,000 subscribers, which again is something that is unbelievable, because what started out as just a channel of me filming the Suzuki and kind of being really excited that there were 600 followers on, and I'm thinking, flipping heck, 600 people subscribed to watch me tinker about with a motorbike, and it's grown from there. And I really couldn't imagine the day that we'd reach 100,000, but we have. So first of all, thank you to each and every one of you who subscribes to this channel, who enjoys the content, who watches it week after week. I can see all the familiar people commenting down below, and one of the benefits of reaching 100,000 subscribers is that you get this. A YouTube plaque. So this is the 100,000 subscriber silver plaque. So it's been delivered to me. It takes a few months. So after you've reached that 100,000 subscriber, a couple of weeks or something after that, you will then have a code sent to you once they've, I'm trying to think how I did it now. You get given a code once they've checked out the channel and made sure that you're legit and everything like that, and all the subscribers are real subscribers. Then they will send you a code, you type in that code, type in all your details, and then they will send you this plaque. And here it is. I've waited for this day. So I kept that space there, so I think ages ago when I was going through my workshop, cleaning it, or whatever I was doing, I can't remember which video it was now, but I said that I was keeping that space on the wall there for something special, and I was in hope really that I would get this, and I have. I've reached it. No motorbikes today. Bit of DIY. First of all, let's unbox this, get it up on there. I'm actually sitting on the lift, by the way, the new bike lift in the workshop, and it's one of those ones that it's all the way up, obviously, to take my weight, and it's kind of one side, so I am balancing at the edge of it at the moment. So let's do this now. Let's get it up. So as you can see, I'm standing in a bit of a mess. It's from the Ducati, so I keep on clearing it up, then I shave a bit more off the bike and all sorts. So that's why it's kind of strewn around this area here. So YouTube, thank you very much YouTube, this is exciting. I have opened up already because I sneak peek a look at things because I have no patience. But this is what you get from the unboxing of it. First of all, a letter from YouTube. You've just done something, I'm trying to read it and film it at the same time, reading through the screen of the GoPro. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who subscribes to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained, and that's exactly what this channel is about. This channel is about inspiring others to pick up a spanner, a wrench, whatever you want to call it. Get a motorcycle, doesn't matter what cc, doesn't matter what state it is, even if it's a new bike and they want to change some bar grips or something. This channel is all about inspiring others to at least ride and tinker about with their bikes. So that's enough of that letter. That is a nice letter from YouTube. Might even have that framed actually. Recognise your team. Alright, so if you've got a team of people, then you can get more plaques for them. Here it is. Oh, look at that. Now, I am kind of disappointed in a way that it's not the old one. I do like the new style as well, I've got to say, but the old style with the black frame and everything like that just felt kind of a bit more official, but still. Let's get it out of the box. Or out of the bag, I should say. Here we go. Let's put that bag to one side, don't need it. And here it is. In fact, that is so shiny, you can even see my own reflection in it. Hello. Right, presented to Fuller Bold for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Says a lot of you know, I did start off at a different name, which was a nickname given to me at school and things like that. And we kind of dropped that, and it's now just Fuller Bold. That's my new, that is so shiny. That is a mirror. That is pretty much a mirror. Check that out. Obviously behind me you can see all the lights and everything, but check that out. And the idea is, let's kick that out of the way. The idea is, so, to hang this plaque up here. Is it a bit out? No. I was kind of thinking of putting it on that wall over there, but that wall's kind of turned into my mood board wall and all the inspiration and things like that. Let's stick it up on here. I need screws. Where should I put it? That height? Let's mark that there. Where's my drill? Get the right drill bit on. Drill it, screw it, job done. Let's do it. Oh, and for those of you not following me on Instagram, this tank up here is a new project. Not to start now, it's come out of the project which I'm going to do after the Ducati, but this is a new project. Exciting. And here it is. Look at that up there. Still see my GoPro in it. So it's up, and that is where it's going to take pride of place. I think it looks quite nice actually. It's discreet. I know it's a lot smaller than the other ones used to be, which is why I kind of anticipated having a bigger size for it. But it's nice. It's in the workshop. It's where everything has happened, especially with those 3 bikes down there. So thank you again. A massive thank you to everyone who subscribed. Thank you. So that is it now. It is official. The plaque is on there. Again, thank you to... Oh, wobbly camera. I'm gonna dance like this for a little bit. Thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed to this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed and you like the look of it, basically what we do here is just build bikes as a hobby, non-professional. It's pretty much me tinkering around in my workshop on bikes that I enjoy doing. If you want to see a bit more of that, then check out the videos below, subscribe, and you might even enjoy the content that's on this. So coming up next week we have this. We have the Ruroc Atlas review, and as well I'll be plugging a shockwave system into that. We have more of the Ducati monster build as well. The fairing needs to be fabricated for the front of that, kind of like a modular fairing. And hints and tips videos. Pretty much I've got a whole list of videos that I filmed back in the summer, back in June, that I haven't yet published, so they need to go out as well. So all that to come, and until then, stay safe everyone, stay classy.